Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1969 Camaro. It's finished in green with a hockey stripe. A stripe over the rear quarter. It's got a cowl hood. Sitting on rally wheels. PF Goodrich TA tires. A little bit bigger in the back, gives it a nice stance. Got a 396 under the hood. Nice big block. Rear spoiler. Automatic with the Horseshoe Shifter. She is 396. Mickey Thompson valve covers. They're finned. They look period. Power steering. It's an X11 Norwood car. Custom headers. New relays. Flex fan. Shroud, Demon carburetor. Is that a 650? Electronic ignition. Fire it up for you. Mild cam. Runs on regular pump gas. That was a cold start, by the way. Uh, 10-bolt gear, 10-bolt rear. It's got highway gears in it, like a 373 or something, or maybe even taller. Definitely sounds great. Buckets, console, Horseshoe Shifter. Got a turbo 350 in it. 3-spoke wheel, that looks new. Showing 28,326 miles. Old school Alpine Stereo. This headliner looks original. Shoulder belts too. fitment of all the doors. Doors look really, really nice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more information on our main websites, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.